People prone to winter injuries won't miss the eventual change of seasons. 22 News reporter Cy Becker found out we may all know someone who slipped and broke a bone this winter.
Doctors at emergency facilities like Holyoke Medical Center's walk-in clinic in Chicopee treated their fair share of patients who suffered winter injuries. Dr. Kevin Snow treated a wide range of winter-related injuries.
Broken arms, broken ankles, broken shoulders, cuts on heads from falls, things of this nature, and a lot of low back injuries from shoveling. Routine stuff like that, common stuff that happens when people get active in the snow.
The danger to one's heart from shoveling snow is well documented. 75-year-old Richard Bienvenu of Chicopee told 22 News he's learned to minimize the wear and tear for someone his age by pacing himself.
I shovel for a little while, and if I feel I'm starting having a problem, I go sit in my truck, drink some water, cool off a little bit, and then go back and start all over again.
But according to Holyoke Medical Center's Dr. Kevin Snow, it's the snowblower that poses some of winter's most serious risks of injury. Dr. Snow said at least once before winter's end, somebody will get their hands stuck in their snowblower and require stitches. In Chicopee, Cy Becker, 22 News.